Saika. Today I am going to make hot chocolate, and to make this recipe the ingredients will require are 500 ml milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons fresh cream, 8 pieces of dark chocolate, 2 pieces of cinnamon stick and 1 tablespoon sugar. First, in a saucepan put milk, cinnamon sticks and keep it for boiling. We are using cinnamon stick to add the flavor to milk. Now add fresh cream, sugar, dark chocolate, cocoa powder and stir well and boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. Yummy hot chocolate is ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.